Claude AI. Have you ever wondered if your favorite AI assistant might share inaccurate answers or act unpredictably? What if there was an AI built from the ground up to focus on safety first? Would that change how you trust artificial intelligence? Claude is Anthropic's answer to that very question. Created by a San Francisco-based company founded in 2021 by former OpenAI researchers, including siblings Daniela and Dario Amodei, Claude stands out in a crowded AI market. Named after Claude E. Shannon, the father of information theory, this assistant is designed to be helpful, honest, and harmless. Anthropic took a bold approach. They prioritize delaying powerful releases until they are confident about safety measures, which is rare in a fast-moving industry. Anthropic has gained strong backing from tech giants, with Amazon investing $8 billion and becoming its main cloud partner through Amazon Web Services. Google has committed $2 billion, signaling trust in Claude's long-term potential. Claude's first version arrived in early 2023, and since then it has evolved quickly. Claude 3 and Claude 4, released in 2024 and 2025, expanded its capabilities significantly. Claude 3 introduced multimodal features, meaning it can process both text and images, and it can now handle very long conversations thanks to larger context windows. By 2025, Claude gained real-time web search, closing a major gap between it and competitors like ChatGPT and Google's Gemini. You can access Claude on web browsers or mobile apps for iOS and Android. It helps with writing, coding, translation, customer support, transcription, and even creative content. But what truly sets Claude apart is Anthropic's deliberate, safety-first mindset, a refreshing approach in an industry often criticized for rushing innovation. Want to see if Claude's careful design makes a difference? Try it yourself today and decide whether safety-focused AI is the future.